Welcome to the Display Historical Information course. On this course, you are going to display the policy compliance details, remittance advice, and collection statements. To access the eCARE system, the member or agent must enter the email, password, and click the Sign In button. Click the Policies tab to view all details pertaining to the member policies. The member currently has 3 active policies with RMA. To view a specific policy, select the radio button next to the policy. Note that the badge is green, indicating that the policy is compliant. Click the Compliance badge to display the compliance status. The submissions and collections are up to date. Click the Close icon to exit the pop-up. From this table, you can display the collection statements as well as the remittance reports. Click the vertical scroll-down bar. In the Submissions tab, you can display both current and previous submissions. Click the Toggle History on icon to view historical data. Click the drop-down button to expand the tab for the submissions you want to view. The historical earnings data for 2024 is displayed. Click the drop-down button to collapse the tab. Select the Logout option to exit the screen. Congratulations! You have successfully displayed historical information.